Okay, so for number 14, I am going to find out the velocity of the equation and also see what time it is when the particle comes to a stop. So first, I will make use of this formula right here to find out my speed, and to find my dx and dy, I will simply find out my dx and dy depending on the equations that the question has already given me. So dx would be 2t minus 2 um, dt, and dy would be 3t squared minus 3 all dt. Now if I substituted these values into that equation, my velocity will equal square root of 2t minus 2 dt over dt all squared plus 3t squared minus 3 dt over dt all squared. Now my dt's will cancel out, and I will be left with v equals square root of 2t minus 2 squared plus 3t squared minus 3 squared. Now if I want to have it all expand, do I want it expanded? Yeah, I do. Square root of 4t squared minus 4t plus 4 plus 9t to the fourth minus wait. Alright, so I made the mistake of making that a negative 4. It should be negative 8t plus 4, and that should be 9t to the fourth minus 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 times 2 is 16 t squared plus 9. Now that's, I want to simplify that a little bit, so that would be, I'll try to group it, so it's 9t to the fourth, and then negative 12t squared minus 8t plus 13. So that's my velocity, and I want to know when the velocity or the speed equals 0, because I want to know when the time when the particle comes to a stop, which is when the speed would be 0. So if I plug in 0 for my v and try to solve for my t, I'll get square root of 9t to the fourth minus 12t squared minus 8t plus 13. And I guess I'll just get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So it'll be 0 equals 9t to the fourth minus 12t squared minus 8t plus 13. And there can be different values for this. Ignore this. And it'll be negative 13 equals 9t to the fourth negative 12t squared minus 8t. So I will factor my t out, so t times 9t cubed minus 12t minus 8. I actually don't need that to happen, because I can simply say when so that will happen. So then one possibility for my t value will be t equals negative 13, and I'll still go on because this can be negative 13, or I'm not doing this right. I'm going to try this other method um, because I think I'm a little stuck here. Uh, so here I'll actually group these two things together so that I'll get something like 3t squared times 3t squared minus 4. And for this part I'll get negative 8t plus 13, but that will be in a, no, that will not be in a bracket. Well, that should be like that, and there should be a plus in between, and that will have to equal 0. So then if I do this, then I can make negative 8t plus 13 equal 3t squared, 3t squared minus 4, and what does that do? Does that do anything? Does it really do anything? That really does not do anything. I guess we can actually just, perhaps this is, because this is something that I just cannot factor. What I will do, if I were allowed, I would use a calculator and graph it and check my x asymptotes. Hopefully that's the right, you're right, x asymptotes.